Hello guys, welcome to my channel. That crunchy plantain chips you always buy from the supermarket, yes, that's what we are going to make today in this video. So first of all, I'm going to be dissolving my salt in the water. So in a plate, pour in your water and add in your salt. Dissolve it in the water and set aside to be dissolving. Yes, so I will be using 5 pieces of plantain, unripe plantain, for this recipe, and I will be showing you 3 different methods you can use to slice your plantain chips. No excuse for not making this recipe. So first of all, I will go on to peel off the back of my plantain. You can peel it off anyhow you like, but this is how I love peeling my plantain. So our plantain is all peeled and we go on. So there is no excuse for not trying this recipe. So the first method, I will be using this slicer to slice off my plantain into a tiny pieces. If you have this at home, you can always use this to slice your plantain. And then if you don't have this at home, don't worry, check out for the second method you can use to slice your plantain into tiny pieces. You can see the outcome of our slicer. It came out very nice and tiny. So the second method of slicing our plantain, once you have a cutting board and a knife, you are good to go. Just work it out a step at a time, slicing it little by little to get that tiny plantain chip pieces. You can take a look at the one I did with my knife and my cutting board. It came out so nice and tiny. And the third method, if you have Ninja 3-in-1 food processor or a slicer, then you can use it. I'm using my Ninja 3-in-1 food processor, the slicer. I've already set the slicer facing up, so I'll go on to slice my plantain with it. I'm done slicing it. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Yeah, just take a look at it. It still came out nice. So the next step is frying our plantain. So place your empty frying pan on the heat and add in your vegetable oil. Allow your vegetable oil to heat up and then add in your sliced onion. This will give it that flavor you will love. So after that, start putting in your plantain chips, the sliced one. Just if you can separate it, that's fine, but then if you can't, just try as much as you can to try to separate it with your hands before putting it into the oil. But then if you can, just use your spoons to separate it further so that it doesn't gum together. Fry on a medium heat. So do you remember that salt solution? That's it. So this is the time to add it. Just go on to scooping some spoon into the oil while it's frying. Believe me, you will love the taste. So fry on a medium heat, not too high heat. Fry on a medium heat until it turns golden brown. Yeah. So also, when you want, how you will know that it's really done, of course you can see it. You can actually scoop it up and press it up with your hands. When you press it, it should be hard. Scoop it out from the oil and then go on to do the same to the rest of the plantain chips. So this is the ones we fried, and the last one is on the fire. So guys, if you have watched to this point, kindly like, share my video to reach to more people, subscribe to my channel by so doing you're helping me to drop more videos. Tell me, will you be trying this out? And if you have this as a business idea or you're looking for a business idea to do, this is a best option for you. It saves a a whole lot. Just get your unripe plantain and get your oil, and you can use your pot for this. You don't necessarily have to use your frying pan. Use your pot to fry it. Dissolve your water, your salt solution for it, and that's it. So fry this and start making money out of it. This is another business idea you will love. So guys, I'm done frying, and look at what our plantain chips looks like. Yes, spread it out to cool out, and after that you can package it in an airtight container. This can stay longer for you, that if you're not eating it every time, because this is so crunchy. It is so crunchy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Subscribe for more interesting recipes.